Oh, yeah?
What does it used to look like when we used to be here? There used to be in park here?
Yeah. Hmm.
What happened? Go to a different area.
Yeah, we can.
I'm going back. Please stop, I'm going in. Daddy,
Huh?
what's covering the water?
I don't know.
And why are there so many green plants?
I think there's a lily pad, right?
Yeah, I think so too. Why are there so many lily pads? Daddy,
Huh?
why are there so many lily pads?
I don't know.
Daddy, and there are sharks. Are there sharks in there? Daddy,
No, there's no sharks in there.
are you able to swim in there?
Huh?
Whatever, I'll just grab it. I'll be back. Look at me, Dad. You just wasted mommy's money. It's okay. I don't want to. Now I'm in the front.
¿Quieres una?
Show Daddy. You almost got the perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Porque muy cansada. Thank you. ¿Cómo les fue la caminata? Caminaste rápido, por eso ya en roja.
Dog.
¿Quieres una para que se refresquen?
Porque no me duele la panza.
¿Corriste? Le digo que a los perrillos les gusta correr.
Marito, venga.
Pleasure, what did you eat?
Bubblegum ice cream. It's rainbow. I had red, orange, yellow, green, and blue.
Yeah.
Guys, please.
Okay.
Daddy, mine's a still rainbow. Baby. Want this one now? Baby. It looks like it's a swimming class, right? I'm going back.
Run inside. You not run all the way in there. It's cold now? Run in there. Go in the middle. Run in the middle.
I'm gonna go in there. I did it! I did it! Daddy's book! Yeah!
No, I don't want to get wet. Are you coming here?